Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, students? I hope all of you are fine. So firstly, recite a dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. So now, students, I think all of you like the stories. So, have you heard the story of the monkey that stole a man's cap? No? So, well, I'm going to share the story with you, and we will see that what will the man do, and how will he get the cap back, and what will the monkey do. So now, listen the story.
Cap seller and the monkey. The cap seller uses his wisdom and cleverness to bring back all of his caps from the monkeys. So, we learn from the story that clever thinking can easily solve our problem, and also wisdom is the biggest weapon. Today we will read the story of a clever turtle. Okay?
Now, today we will start the chapter number 4, King Red Nose, on page number 39 and 40. So here is a story about a clever turtle. So let's start the story. King Red Nose went out for a walk one day. So there was a king whose name was Red Nose because his nose was so reddish. So he went out for a walk one day. He saw a turtle by the roadside. It walked along slowly and sang a song. And there is a turtle who was walking by the roadside slowly and sang a song. And what was the song? He sang that the king has a big nose, the king has a red nose. He was singing that the king has a big nose, the king has a red nose. Then the king was very angry because Turtle was making fun of his nose. He said to his servants, "Hang the turtle from this tall tree. Hang him now." The turtle became happy and said, "Thank you, I can eat some fresh green leaves from the tree." "No," said the king, "then don't hang him from the tree. Throw him into the river." But the turtle was so clever that he said, "Please don't. I hate water. I don't want to get wet. Please don't throw me into the water." The turtle made the king fool. "Throw him in at once," said the king to his servants. They threw the turtle into the river. The turtle swam away happily. This time it sang a new song. "The foolish king has a big nose, the foolish king has a red nose." The turtle made the king fool. That's why it sang a new song. "The foolish king has a big nose, the foolish king has a red nose." The foolish king was very angry. His nose became redder and bigger. His servants smiled to see it. So, students, the moral we learned today that cleverness and wisdom is the biggest thing that can easily solve any problem. So you can solve any problem with your cleverness and wisdom. आप अपनी अक्लमंदी और इंटेलिजेंस के साथ कोई भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Like a turtle was so clever in this story. Now you will do the reading from your book. Care of yourself. Fi amanillah.